Dear students, welcome to your BBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. Today we will do two more exercises from lesson 4, noun. That are exercise F and G. Fill it in your English language book and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Dear students, start the work. Dear students, today we will do the F exercise from lesson number 4, that is noun, from page number 21. So write down the date, that is 8th June 2021. Write down the classwork. F. Rewrite the sentences with capital letters and appropriate places. Number 1. B will be capital because it is a name of a person. Bittu visits Agra. Agra's A should be in capital letter. Every year in January. January's J should be in capital letters, and in the end you will put a full stop. Now we will move to page number 22. Second one. The first day of the week is Monday. First letters always begin with the capital letter in a sentence. The first day of the week is Monday. Monday's M should be in capital letter, and in the end we will put a full stop. Now, third one. I should be in capital letters. Have a friend whose birthday is on this Tuesday. Tuesday's T will be in capital letter, and in the end you will put a full stop. Fourth one. This T will be in capital letter. There is a Diwali. D will be in capital letter. Celebration in Delhi. Delhi's D should be in capital letter, and you will put a full stop in the end. Fifth one is I should be in capital letter. Then Thursday's T should be in capital letter, and then a holiday. After holiday, put a question mark. So here we have completed exercise F. Now we will do exercise G. Match the columns. One has been done for you. You all know that we don't do match the following in a crisscross manner. We do it in numbering system. City, that is Jaipur. Building, that is Qutub Minar. Book, that is the Ramayana. River, that is the Ganga. Country, that is Japan. Leader, that is Indira Gandhi. Car, that is Centro. Festival, that is Christmas. So students, today we have done 2 exercises. Fill it in your book only and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. That's all for today. I hope you all have completed your exercise F and G. Then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn the exercise F and G from lesson 4, nouns. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.